Hey everybody, I wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to use this FM8394 pump replacement. It comes with an instruction sheet, but I wanted to show you in a video as well. It comes with a discharge hose, it comes with an adapter fitting, and the pump itself. To install it, you'll screw the cap off of the adapter fitting, and then screw in the bottom of it with the O-ring facing up into either side of the drum. And then you'll slide the cap onto the pump itself and insert the pump into the adapter. Next, you'll screw the cap down to fasten the pump into place. And then you'll take the discharge hose. It comes with a zip tie so you can secure it to the pump. Slide that onto the nozzle and then zip tie it, okay? It has a safety strap included. You just squeeze it on the sides and then you're ready to go. Thank you.